What to bring for your OET exam.
Hello and welcome to our channel. You're in the right place if you're preparing for your OET exam. Today, we'll guide you through a checklist of essential items to bring on your exam day. Let's ensure you're fully prepared and confident before entering that exam hall. First, let's go over the absolute essentials. Valid passport. Your passport is your primary identification and mandatory for entry into the exam. Be sure to bring it with you to the exam. Email confirmation printout. It's always a good idea to carry a printed copy of your OET exam confirmation email. While some centers may accept digital versions, having a hard copy ensures smooth verification. Next, let's talk about stationery. If you're taking OET on paper, 2B pencils are a must. They're required for the reading and listening sections, parts B and C. While pens are allowed, pencils are versatile and can be used for all sections, including writing. Bring a clear pouch to keep your pencils and an eraser organized. However, be mindful that some exam centers may not allow sharpeners or erasers. To avoid issues, carry pre-sharpened pencils. Finally, stay hydrated by carrying a clear water bottle. This will help you remain focused throughout the exam. To recap, double-check that you have your valid passport, a printed exam confirmation email, necessary stationery like 2B pencils, erasers, and a clear pouch, and a clear water bottle. By being well prepared, you can focus entirely on performing your best during the exam. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your OET journey.
More updates are on the way. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest updates on the syllabus and materials on OET. Stay tuned for insightful videos.